Hello my dear friends, welcome back. And in today's episode, let's try to understand when to buy a stock. Guys, so far in stock market success blueprint, we have covered till step 3. Step 1 is we look for companies with strong financial health. Step 2 is we look for high growth, stable companies. Step 3 is high profitability, and step 4 is valuation. That is we look for favorable prices. So in this episode, let's try to understand, when to buy a stock. So here let's try to understand the concept of valuation. So in this video, let's try to understand the concept of valuation, and in terms of valuation, you will find three kinds of stocks or three types of stocks. First is overvalued stock, fairly valued stock, and undervalued stocks. Now the thing is, the same stock moves from undervalued to overvalued and overvalued to undervalued based on the fundamentals and market sentiments. But have to know whether the stock is undervalued, fairly valued, or overvalued. For that, we use something called as intrinsic value. What is intrinsic value? It is nothing but the true worth of the company. The true value of the company is known as intrinsic value. And if the stock is, let's assume that the intrinsic value of this stock is 100, and if its share price is also 100, then we can consider it as fairly valued stock. Let's assume if the intrinsic value is 100 and if it is trading at 130 rupees, then it is overvalued, and if the same stock is trading at 60 rupees as the intrinsic value is 100, it is considered as undervalued stock. But the thing is, when to buy a stock? When to buy? Now, if you buy overvalued stock, what happens? Either you will incur permanent loss of capital or you generate a mediocre return. Trust me guys, 99% of investors lose their hard-earned money in the stock market because they invest in overvalued stock. That is the reason majority of investors lose money in the market. So please never invest in overvalued stock. Now what happens if you invest in fairly valued stocks? Now the potential upside is limited. Obviously it's like buying 100 rupee note at 100 rupees. Now obviously the upside potential is limited, right? And the second thing is there is no margin of safety. What if you are wrong in estimating this value? There is a chance of you losing money as well, because there is no margin of safety. If you make any errors in estimating the value, then there is a possibility of losing money as well. So never invest in fairly valued stocks as well. Invest in undervalued stocks. So the answer is, when to buy a stock? When the stock is trading at undervalued prices. Now if you invest in undervalued stocks, two things will happen. One, the upside is maximized and the downside is minimized. So this is what I call as low risk, high return strategy. If you invest in undervalued stocks, from step 1 to step 3 should also be incorporated here. Okay, let me put it this way. If you invest in companies with strong financial health, high growth, stable companies that generate high profitability. So if you buy such, great companies at favorable prices when they are undervalued, then you will generate high returns by taking low risk. That is, you can comfortably generate more than 20% compounded return over a long period of time. But the thing is, have to know whether the stock is undervalued or not. Okay, let's cover that, have to value a stock. Let's cover that in my next episode. So trust me guys, next episode is going to be very interesting and very helpful as well. So that's it for today guys. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Guys, thank you so much for your support. This is Vishnu Deekonda signing off.